Anything else?
We got some root beer, we got
Wow, look what they got there, huh?
we got some glowing kids.
Woo, woo, woo.
Thanks to Aunt Robbie. All right, let's see Brett's trick here. Whoa, that's some trick.
Oh, that's a cool one. I've never seen them with like green and... Oh, look at that one. Oh, here comes another one. Yeah.
Oh, here comes Petey, Petey.
Whoa.
Wow, that was cool.
I didn't know what
Like,
to
wow.
do. You need it.
That one.
Huh?
Oh, caught your attention, Bryce. Huh? Hey, nice those big ones. Let's go. Really, Bryce, look. Look at all of them.
What part did I do?
Tonight we're going to see the fireworks here, 1999, 4th of July, only this is the 5th and we get to see them with Robbie. This is a special occasion. Hope you enjoy them as much as we did. Bryce did some cool things with his toy there. Whoa!
Dad, come now! Go that thing in mid-showers and smart!
Woo! Marissa, do you want to see more fireworks? You want to see more? More fireworks? Must be tired, huh?
Yeah, look at
That's pretty cool. We got that one on film, Bryce. Nice job.
Bryce, come.
Okay, there's all our favorite people. And Daddy's shadow there.
They literally be like a dust storm. You know, and the kids are trying to
Thanks, everybody. That's very nice.
Hang on, Marissa!
Say happy birthday!
You're so tired. You ready for bed?
That's pretty cool, Bryce. Where'd you get that?
From Aunt Robbie.
From Aunt Robbie. Isn't she sweet?
We were so lucky to have Aunt Robbie as a last-minute guest. So we wouldn't have anybody pull the wagon or... Oh, there's a mosquito on my back!
Yes, Aunt Robbie was the hit of the party
She
tonight.
was. She was the wagon puller and the globe stick person.
And she supplied the money, which is the most important thing
That's why we keep her
sometimes, huh? Thanks, everybody.
Bye! Happy 4th of July!